So now we will see input attribute multiple in input field. So guys, basically the input multiple attribute specifies that the user is allowed to enter more than one value in an input field, and this we are going to check with the help of examples as well. Now the multiple attribute works with the input types, that is email and file over here. So basically let us check this with the help of example where the input field type is file over here, in which case we can select multiple files to be uploaded to the server. So guys, let us move to the VS Code over here, and I'll simply remove the previous lines of code in this case that we had written previously. So now as you can see, we have a very simple statement, that is below content is an HTML form inside the paragraph tag, and then over here we have the form tag along with the method that is get request, so that whatever parameters are being submitted by the user, we can see those parameter values inside the URL on the browser. So guys, over here what we have to do is we will have the input field with the type file in this case. So basically we are going to have the input along with the type file over here, and then in this case we will say name as file and ID as well as file over here, and then before this we will have the label, and then we will have the for attribute value as the file value in this case. Now for the label we will say select multiple files. So guys, basically we are asking the user to select multiple files over here, and then user will be able to submit by using the submit button. So let us have couple of line breaks over here, after which we will have the submit button in this case by using the input type submit, and then for the value we will have the value as submit in this case. So guys, currently we have not provided the attribute multiple in this case. So let us check how this particular input field works on the browser. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, below content is in HTML form, and then we have the select multiple files label, but currently we have not provided the multiple attribute over here. So when the user clicks on this choose file, basically the explorer will open over here based on the machine that the user is using, and then user can select one of the files over here in this case. So guys, basically I have come to a particular path over here on my machine. You can navigate to your own directory path over here, and then when I try to select multiple files over here, now guys, how do we select multiple files in this case? So as you can see, we have selected this favicon image over here, which is a JPG image in this case. But let's say if I want to select another image, that is sample image. So I will press the control key on the keyboard and then try selecting the sample image as well. But this time when we select this, we are only able to select one image, that is sample image now, which is the second image that is selected. So by default the user will be able to select only one file here. That's because we have not provided the multiple attribute. So when the user selects one of the files in this case and clicks on open, basically that particular file will be displayed to the user in order to be sent to the server. Now guys, how do we select the multiple files over here? So basically we can go to the VS Code over here, and simply we can provide the multiple attribute in this case. So as you can see, this is the multiple keyword that we need to provide in the input field of the type file or of the type email as well. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. Now if you notice, we have choose files in this case. Previously it was just choose file over here, which allows only single file to be selected. So basically we can select multiple files now. So when I click on this button, again the Windows Explorer will open, and then we can select, let's say, this particular file, and then if I want to select the second file as well, I will press the control key on the keyboard and then click the left mouse key over here. So as you can see, sample image and favicon, both the files are getting selected over here. And when we click on open in this case, so it says two files, which means two files are selected by the user. And when we click on submit over here, as you can see, file is equal to favicon.jpg, and again there is a file parameter, and then it says the name of the other file, that is sample image.png. So guys, in this case both the files are getting sent to the server for further processing, and in this way we can select multiple files by using the multiple keyword for the input field based on our requirements. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is input attribute placeholder in input field. So stay tuned.